All right,
Okay.
Luke, you'll do life happens cards.
Okay.
Oren, you can handle the events, which means
I've done this before.
okay. And then, do you want to do assignments?
Oh my cat.
Scholarships. Someone wants to reward your brilliance.
But if you use 2, you get a stress.
So
If you
some
use the
stress
other
is
2, you get
okay.
another stress. So what if I use?
Some stress is okay,
What if
as
one
long as you have enough
you still
time
get?
to get
I
rid of
get
that
2 stress or 1?
Well, Claire, I'm just
She
reading.
costs
So
time.
with this little guy, I'm all about the power study group. Want to join us over lunch?
3, okay, 2, 1. Aha!
Oh, it's a tie.
Oh no!
Rock, paper,
three-way
scissors,
tie.
everyone. Okay, it's rock,
paper,
paper, scissors.
Did everyone get an assignment?
I like this one. Public, wait.
You don't turn your assignments in anyway.
Yeah, I know. Dang, they're both the same.
We're in week 7. Week 7, are we in?
We are week 6. This is week 6.
This is week 6.
We just finished week 5.
That was midterms?
Yes.
Our semesters? 10 weeks?
Where were you?
Yes!
Another
Yes!
assignment!
Yes! Yes!
No.
Let's do it.
Did
Let's
you
do
shuffle?
it. Did you shuffle?
No,
Oh,
it's a new
man.
one. Did you study it all this week? No. Flip over your hand.
3, 2.
Wow.
You did not need to waste your time.
It was the scholarship.